Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the third episode of this series. In this episode, you'll learn how to design a clean splash screen for your mobile app. Before you start your design, it's important you get your flowchart and wireframe set up. Taking a look at this flowchart, our app will start with an onboarding screen that will welcome you and give you a brief description of what the app is all about. Then the next screen you'll see would be the sign up and the sign in screen, where you can create an account, enter your preferences, log into the app, and if you forgot your password, you can recover and log in. Once you're logged in, you get to see the home screen, the menu, orders, store locator, and your account page. Now let's take a look at my wireframe. This will be the splash screen, the onboarding screens, and all the screens needed for the complete UI design. So it's important that you have the flowchart and the wireframe design, because it's going to give you an easy path during your main design, your UI design. Alright, I have my Adobe XD open. Click on the screen you'd like to use. For the purpose of this app we're creating, let's select Android Mobile. First, I will rename my artboard to SplashScreen. Then, to create a background for my splash screen, I will use the rectangle tool. Click and drag to cover the artboard. Once that is done, let's organize our design library. It's important that you organize your design library to enable easy usage of your resources. Now I need to create all the colors I will be needing for the entire project. I've already done this, but I want to show you how it's been done. So I'm selecting all the colors needed using the eyedropper tool. Now I have all my colors. I would like to add the colors to my color library by selecting each of the colors and clicking on the add icon located here. On my splash screen, I'll remove the rectangle border, use the eyedropper tool, and select the pale green color. After that, we need a background image, so let's import one. Once image is imported, drag it into the artboard. Then let's mask this image to fit our artboard. To do this, click on the image and select the rectangle you created previously. Then you go to View and select Mask with Shape. Now the image is masked. You can further edit this image by clicking on the mask icon on the layer section. It would be nice to rename this to BG image for background. Click on the mask icon, select the image and align properly. I will draw another rectangle to create a transparent effect. Click on the new rectangle, remove the border, use the eyedropper tool, select the pale green color, then reduce the opacity to 90%. Next, let's import our food image. Again, you can Google online to find your desired images. Once imported, let's rearrange these images properly. Now let's create our logo. Click on the text tool and type the app name, namely. The font used here is called Quicksand. I'll leave a link below so you can download and have it. Increase the font size. Align font to the center and change the font color. Now I need to import an icon for my logo. To do so, we need to install a plugin. This plugin is called Icon for Design. Click on the plugin button below, then press the plus sign. Search for Icon for Design and install it. Once installed, you will find the plugin icon in this section. Click on the installed icon and search for any icon you like. Let's search for shipping truck. So I've inserted the shipping truck. I've resized the logo name to 67 and the logo description to 20. The logo description, I use a light version of Helvetica font, and the logo font is Quicksand. Now let's select all and group it. Like I said previously, it's important you learn how to organize your resources for easy access to reuse. So the first thing I would do is to rename this logo, this group as logo. Also group the colors and rename them as well. Now I will group the logo and the color into one folder called components. In order to reuse this in your entire project, you need to make it as a component, and you do this by adding it to the component library. So click on the logo, go to the component section and click the plus sign. Once added, I will just copy and paste anywhere I want in the project. Now let's align the logo. Let's group this rice and chicken image and rename it. And that is it. We just designed our splash screen.